Everybody, it's Spark Squad back. So, Robin, I don't know where Robin went, but the nest is there. So I'll tell you the story. I was like going up to see what was in the nest. I tilted it this way to see, and a bird just zoomed, and that was either Robin's mom or Robin's dad, either Rosie or I haven't named the dad one yet. But anyway. You know what's in this? An egg. So I was like, what is that? So I felt, and then I felt what was in there. Like I was like, what's this? And then I picked it out, and it was that egg. Like, what do you think, guys? What do you think I should name this little birdie? What do you think I should name it? Just comment in this video and comment what you think I should name this birdie. I do not know if it's gonna be a girl or boy, so just comment girl and boy names for this cute little birdie that's coming out. Like, I'm so happy. Another, like, you will think you might be thinking, there's only one egg. Why? Well, it's because sparrows literally can't produce more than one egg. Okay? Because, like, they're tiny. Sparrow equal tiny. So, yeah. I'm so happy that I'm getting another birdie. So nice. Anyway, this was just a short little video just to show you guys my new little birdie. I can't wait until this little birdie hatches. I'm so excited. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye bye.